Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Adobe Express to design LinkedIn graphics. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Express website. If you don't already have an Adobe account, click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Follow the prompts to verify your email and complete the account setup. If you have an existing Adobe ID, simply click on Sign In. Enter your credentials and click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Adobe Express dashboard. Locate the Create New Project button, usually found on the main screen. Click on this button to start a new design. From the available templates, choose the LinkedIn graphic option. Explore the various templates tailored for LinkedIn. Select a template that resonates with your intended design. Once you select a template, click on Customize Template. This will redirect you to the design editor. In the design editor, you can add text, images, and other elements as needed. To add your personal touch, use the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You can upload your own images or select from Adobe's extensive library. Make adjustments to fonts, colors, and layouts to align with your branding. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button. Choose the desired file format for your LinkedIn graphic. Select the quality settings and then click Download to save it to your device. Now your Adobe Express design is ready to be uploaded to your LinkedIn profile. This concludes the tutorial on authorizing Adobe Express for LinkedIn graphics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.